How to download and install Metatrader 5 on Mac. Let's get started. Type MT5 on Google. Here you can see the official website link. Click it here. Here you can see download for Mac operating system. Click it here. The downloading has started. Metatrader 5 has downloaded. Now I am going to install it. Unzip this file. This is the file. Open it. Click on continue. Continue. Agree. Here we need to set our install location. Click on install, enter a password and click on install software. Here you can see the installation was successful. The software was installed. Now go to Launchpad and search for MetaTrader 5. Here you can see this is an app. Open it. I am skipping this part. Click on cancel. So now you can start your trading journey. This is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.